Imagine your sales representative pulls up the product catalog, configures a custom blind, generates a branded quote with product images, and walks out with a signed order. The whole process? Finished in a matter of minutes. That's BlindMatrix Mobile. No more carrying bulky fabric books, no more paperwork. Just your sales representative, their tablet, and everything they need to close the job on the spot. Configure blinds, curtains, or shutters right in front of the customer, and instantly generate a professional quote with the exact product images the customer has selected. Then collect a digital signature for confirmation. No network at the job site? No problem. BlindMatrix Mobile works completely offline, and the moment you're back online, orders go straight to your workroom or supplier with one tap. Thousands of businesses using BlindMatrix Mobile are closing quotes faster every day and reducing admin time significantly. From managing appointments to sending orders directly to your suppliers or workroom, everything your field team needs is right in their pocket. Less paperwork, faster quotes, higher closing rates. Book your free app walkthrough today at blindmatrix.com.